I love making Father's Day a special occasion in our home to celebrate my dad. I'm going to take you through creating the perfect entertaining space for you and your family on Father's Day. One of the first things to think about when entertaining at home is which table to use. Big enough to seat your family and guests comfortably, but not too large that you can't fit it into your space. You need to have room to move around it once your chairs are in. And if you have a smaller space, a round table can be a great option. You can fit more people on a bench, which is handy if space is tight. Chairs are more comfy for long leisurely lunches, but you can add seat pads and cushions to really raise the comfort level. Allow 100 to 120 centimetres from the table edge so guests can move in and out easily, and be careful not to position seating too close to the edge of a deck. Position your barbecue near enough so that you can chat with your guests while you cook, but far away enough from the table so smoke isn't blowing over everyone. A great tip for cooking meat is to use a smart thermometer. That way it'll give you an alert and you won't have to be constantly checking on it. If your celebration is one that goes into the evening, festoon lights or fairy lights strung over the table will get the space twinkling and deliver a party vibe. Or try battery-operated lights or flameless candles set along the table to add some extra sparkle. Now let's talk about the table setting. Keep a casual vibe with big share plates which encourage conversation and interaction, perfect for a barbecue. Try using the food as a centrepiece and display on large platters. It's easy to make your own antipasto style platter using food-safe timber and a couple of handles. Texture and softness with napkins or a tablecloth will add warmth. Keep to 2 or 3 colours for a sense of cohesion. Neutral colours are always on trend and look amazing with greenery. Some flowers and greenery add an important freshness and can be styled in so many different ways. You could fill a selection of jam jars with flowers or sprigs of greenery from the garden, or floating blooms in a large shallow bowl creates a great centrepiece. I'm just using a simple arrangement of greenery in glass vases. Remember to keep floral arrangements nice and low so the guests don't have to peer around them to chat to each other across the table. Larger pots and plants can be brought in to add to the garden feel and help define the space. They can also be a useful addition to help screen out any less than lovely views, or the neighbours. Lastly, you can invite your guests to sit and chat in a relaxed space when they first arrive, like a lounge setting, while you're finishing off any last-minute prep at the barbecue or table. The perfect place for some drinks and snacks. And that's it! Just a few simple but special ways to make the most out of celebrating Father's Day. Thanks, Dad!